Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to build this sturdy 6x16 firewood shed with a lean-to roof and fully enclosed back and sides. This shed will keep your firewood dry and organized all year round and can hold up to 4 full cords of firewood. Remember, this is a 3D presentation of the plans. You can find full plans with dimensions and cut lists on my blog, see link in the description. First things first, let's gather all the materials. We've got our lumber, roofing materials, screws, nails, and tools. For a full list of materials and detailed plans, head over to my blog. Now, let's talk about the cost and time estimate for this project. You're looking at around $500 to $750 for all the materials, depending on the quality of lumber and roofing you choose. As for time, set aside a full weekend to get it done, with maybe a few extra hours for the finishing touches. It's a solid investment to keep your firewood dry and organized, and you'll feel great having built it yourself. Here are 4 tips to make this project go smoothly. First, take the time to level the ground before setting your skids. It's super important to have a solid, even foundation to ensure your shed is stable. Second, pre-drill your holes before driving in the screws to prevent the wood from splitting. Third, use quality weather-resistant materials, especially for the roof, to protect your firewood from the elements. Lastly, don't rush the measurements, double-check everything to ensure all pieces fit together perfectly. This attention to detail will save you headaches down the road. This 6x16 shed isn't just for firewood storage, it's incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes. You can easily adapt it to store gardening tools, outdoor equipment, or even turn it into a small bike shed. The sturdy construction and weather-resistant design add significant value to your property, providing a functional and attractive storage solution. Building this shed not only enhances your outdoor space but also offers a great return on investment by boosting your home's overall utility and appeal. Now let's start the project with the base. Measure and cut your 2x6 lumber to create the frame for our 6x16 shed. Make sure everything is square and level. Assemble the base frame using 3.5-inch screws, then add floor joists 16 inches apart for extra support. This is the foundation, so we want it rock solid. Secure the 2x4 boards to the floor frame using 3.5-inch screws, making sure they are evenly spaced for maximum support. This will provide a solid base for the shed, ensuring stability and durability for years to come. Next, let's fit the 2x6 uprights to the floor frame, securing them with 3.5-inch lag screws. Make sure they're perfectly vertical and spaced evenly to support the structure. Then, we'll attach the horizontal top support beams to these uprights, creating a strong framework for the walls and roof. Alright, let's get those 2x4 rafters up, placing them every 24 inches on center to give our roof plenty of support. Now, we're going to attach the 1x6 boards to the back and sides, leaving a 3-inch gap between each one for ventilation. This setup looks fantastic and keeps the air flowing to dry out your firewood properly. Now, we're adding 1x4 purlins across those rafters. And finally, we're gonna secure the metal roofing sheets on top. This setup is gonna give us a sturdy, weatherproof roof that'll stand the test of time. Finally, add any finishing touches you like. Trim the edges for a clean look, and if you want, add a door to the front for easy access to your firewood. And there you have it. Your very own 6x16 firewood shed with a lean-to roof and enclosed back and sides. For detailed plans and measurements, don't forget to check out myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.